Build a simple AI lesson planner in Notion using the free version. If you're an educator or small operator trying to organize lessons, projects, or weekly plans, this workflow will simplify everything. Most people use AI in isolation. The real power happens when you combine AI with structure. That's where Notion works extremely well. Step 1 is creating a simple weekly dashboard. Open Notion and create a new page titled Weekly Lesson Planner. Add sections for objectives, resources, activities, assessment, notes. Keep it simple. Step 2 is using templates. Turn this page into a reusable template so you can duplicate it every week instead of starting from scratch. This saves long-term time. Step 3 is using AI to draft faster. Inside a lesson section, you can use Notion AI to expand a bullet point into a structured activity, rewrite instructions at a different reading level, summarize key learning outcomes, generate discussion questions. The important part is this: you provide the direction. AI fills in structure. Step 4 is organizing by database. Instead of creating random pages, create a database where each entry is a lesson. You can tag by subject, year level, topic, or week. Over time, this becomes a searchable system, not scattered documents. Step 5 is refining, not replacing. AI should accelerate thinking, not replace professional judgment. Review everything. Adjust tone. Simplify language where needed. The goal is faster structure, not automation without oversight. When you combine planning structure with AI assistance, preparation time drops significantly. And more importantly, everything stays organized long-term.